Dear students, now we will see additional issues that is in e-commerce. So electronic commerce is a prime application of and domain for mobile computing. The vast commercial potential for this drives the development and deployment of the technology, making commonplace mobile computing a reality. Generally, security is at odds with the convenience, and in commercial market convenience takes procedure. So as we are performing the e-commerce transaction into daily life, and we know that credit card companies lost billions of dollars a year and on fraud, and then these losses are eventually passed on the end customer. So because of this importance of the electronic commerce, we will discuss some of the security concerns that have the greatest impact in the e-commerce. So the first issue is the liability issue. So currently liability issues relating to computer security are still being determined. Not only do computers contain potentially useful information such as customer credit card numbers, but machines on the internet also have the important information, and that can be used as a splinter boards to launch attacks to other internet computers. So the internet computers are also hacked. Next is the fear, uncertainty and doubt. So another aspect of electronic commerce is the intangible from the public perception. For example, a company that makes children cartoons, as we have discussed this, that company that makes a children cartoons plus a great deal of value on their wholesome family friend image. So anything that is been wrong with this company, or anything perceived to damage that image, such as having the company's website defaced by pornography, so would be more concern to the company. So companies that suffer from these break-ins often are reluctant to report them because of the fear that such a report will hurt their reputation, and their reputation may be at the stake. Often security is perceived as a one-shot application. Install virus protection or firewall. So we can use the firewall for the organization so that any attacker cannot attack on our organization, or we can use the antivirus software. Many places do not even go that far and simply feel the security can be added later. Some of the person may think that we can add the security afterward, but that is of no use. In the home computer domain, security is even scarcer, even though many home sites have high speed continuous connection to the internet. So that may be at the we can say at the most security level. Next is the fraud. So one of the biggest problem with electronic commerce is the fraud, like typically purchasing the bill with stolen or fake credit card numbers. The credit card numbers can be stolen by breaking into the machine and getting the customer list, or through many other means, including physical means such as dumpster diving. One of type of fraud is placing orders to be delivered to the legitimate addresses, and that the thief will take these orders from that house, because that house is very long from the main gate. So this is not a new problem, just another form of non-repudiation, because of the recipient of the merchandise legitimate can repudiate the claim that she purchased the merchandise or the online vendor. So this is a new type of repudiation attack in the e-commerce. So these are the issues in the e-commerce. So thank you so much.